Today we'll be teaching you how to change your oil on your Nissan S14 240SX ABC 1, 2, 3, baby, you and me, girl. You will need some jacks, a jack stand, and a car with an engine in it. Next, you'll want to jack your car. Be sure to smack your bumper once in a while to check for traction.
Look, do I do it
Here,
or here?
not here,
That one.
here.
Yeah, the big one.
That is where your jack stands will go.
And then you can lift. It shouldn't slip. Yeah, I think the wide way is.
Bring him home, Scotty.
You want to put it more towards the front.
Oh,
Now we do as all men before us have done. We pull out.
This cardboard underneath.
Here within lies the holiest of holy grails, the matriarch
And don't
of all
forget
mother
that.
loads, the oil drain plug.
Oh, perfect. That's good enough.
Now crack her open like your finest bottle of Chardonnay. Oh, there we go. Black oil, baby. Old oil filter out. Put in the drain plug.
There you go.
Give it a good old cranking. Ugh. Put in the new oil filter and tighten by hand to 50 million foot units per second. Time to fill her up with many, many gallons of oils. Don't forget the oil cap. Pull out the jacks. Done. Other jack. Done. Third jack. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Done.
Jesus Christ.